It's never too early to get ready for Christmas in July, so we decided to get some of these XMCOSY smart lights that change colors outside. We got these outdoor smart lights because they're perfect for any occasion throughout the year. Not only did these things come neatly packaged, but they only took about 20 minutes to set up. Each light was already partially set up, so all we had to do was click it together into one piece. And no, the instructions don't call for using a rubber mallet, but I found it easier to put your stake into the ground. We ended up spacing each light about 8 feet apart because that was the maximum distance each wire would allow. But I did find that each light did tilt, so you could actually point it to the ground or towards your house. After you get your lights in place, it's time to connect them with the wire. They basically connect to each other one by one, just like Christmas lights, except you just screw them securely in place. The thing I liked most about setting up these lights was that the wire actually blended in well with my mulch bed, and you could easily tuck away the wire underneath your bushes to make sure it was hidden. But once you get all your lights connected, it's time to power it on for the very first time and connect it to the app. And you'll know your lights are ready to use about the time your lights are done flashing. Not only are these good for any time of the year, but the flip of a switch, you're ready for Christmas. And they even sync to your favorite Christmas songs. You also can control these lights with Alexa or Google Home. XMCOSY also offered a couple of different variations of outside lights. So if you want to use some of these outdoor smart lights, you can find these on Amazon by clicking on the link in my bio.